Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to create WeChat account. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. After downloading the WeChat application, launch the app. Click on sign up and choose which method you want to sign up with. You will be presented with the option to sign up with mobile or via Facebook, or sign up with Apple for iPhones. I recommend you sign up with mobile as it is simpler. Enter your information. Select your country or region. Enter your phone number. Set a strong password for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Solve the human-computer verification by following the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. You may be prompted to have a WeChat user scan a QR code to complete the verification, especially for international users. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Complete the registration by entering the verification code sent to your mobile number. Your WeChat account is now created. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.